What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over baby Dogecoin today. I know you see this. I know you see this huge dip here. A lot of people are probably scared about this. A lot of people are probably looking like this, like, oh gosh, baby Doge is crashing. But I'm not scared. I'm actually pretty happy that it's going down because this gives me the opportunity to buy the dip. But anyways, we're gonna talk about this today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. Now, let's go over Baby Doge here. So, these are huge buying opportunities. First, I want to start off by mentioning this over here with the oscillator. You can see here in the oscillator all this selling volume. So much selling pressure coming in for Baby Doge. And it's not just Baby Doge. The whole crypto market is actually taking a sell off here. So you can see Bitcoin down 2.3%, Ethereum 3.4%, pretty much going down to where we were before we had a rise. Yesterday, I mentioned that this may be a bull trap on my Sheep video and my Doge video. I mentioned that we're probably going to continue on a little bit of a retracement. Now, Bitcoin going below 40K, I don't see that. I don't see a 35K Bitcoin. Now, 45K, quite possibly. But this isn't about Bitcoin. This is more about Baby Doge. But Baby Doge translates directly with Bitcoin because, everything follows Bitcoin. But anyways, Baby Doge down a whopping 12.9% in the last 24 hours, 22% in the last 7 days, 19% in the last 14 days. If this isn't a buying opportunity, then I don't know what is. We are only up 2,500% all time. So this is actually a pretty good buying opportunity before we have another rise like we did previously here with Baby Doge. So this is just really good news just to see that Baby Doge is going down. I mean, a lot of people don't see this as good news, but I definitely do. So I want to mention something. Every time people sell, you got to think about it. We're all getting these reflections. Like Baby Doge is being burned every time people sell, and Baby Doge is being sent to liquidity every time people sell. Baby Doge is being sent to all the holders every time people sell. So in terms here, it's kind of a good thing when people sell out of Baby Dogecoin. Like, as bad as it sounds, it's actually a good thing when people sell out. Now, obviously, we don't want people to all just dump Baby Dogecoin. We don't want that. But it's still not bad when we see drops like this because 5% of each transaction is added to liquidity. 5% of each transaction is redistributed to the holders. And one of those holders is the dead wallet, the burn wallet. So we're burning coins literally every single second of the day. And I show this a lot in my videos, and I'll show it again. Like, we're always burning coins. And now that we're having a lot of selling pressure, we're burning even more coins than usual. So as you can see here, this is 556293000, and I'll highlight it right there, 556293000. Hit that refresh button, and then you can see it changes 714269000. We're literally burning millions and billions of Baby Doge every single minute, literally. So it's really not a problem that Baby Doge is continuing to drop here. So look, 714, 327, 714. So we're even burning billions here. So it'll probably take a little bit for all the burns to show up. But yeah, now 32874. So we're literally burning billions by the second. So this is a good thing when you see people selling out of Baby Doge because it's just shaking out the weak hands. And then the people with the diamond hands are the ones left holding that bag that's going to continue to rise. So that's just my point of view. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But as you can see, the bears are in the 24-hour market control by 80%. So yes, we are bearish here. We're more than likely going to end up going back down to this support line down here because we already broke our previous supports. So this support line at the 2100 area, that's where we're going to be going next. So you're going to see Baby Doge quite possibly hit that price very soon. Now, I do want to mention over here with Baby Doge, you can definitely see like we are breaking a lot of different let me actually close these indicators so you can see this more clearly. So anyways, you can see right here, we tried to break out of this resistance. We tried to break out of it on the 17th, but we only did it very briefly. Then we dropped all the way down to that support line. We had some good support there, but then we tried to re-break it, the resistance, but we got rejected heavily. And now, as you can see, we're trickling down to the support. So what's going to end up happening here is we're going to go down to the support line down here. And then once we actually hit the support line, we're going to see something like this. So we're probably going to see some movement like this, eventually hitting the support line right around here. And then after we hit the support line, you're going to see it try to, make some more gains, try to actually retest this resistance here. And then once we try to retest this resistance, if we get rejected again, we'll end up going down to the support and then breaking that support and going down to the next one if we get rejected. Now that's a big if we get rejected, because if Bitcoin, just turns around and does something crazy, we won't get rejected. But if we do get rejected, expect for another dip into eventually. I don't know if we're gonna go all the way down here to this next support line, that 1260 support, but 1260 is pretty low. But yeah, if we continue to break the support and we continue to not be able to continue to rise, pretty much if we can't break our resistance, then yeah, we're going to hit the support and then we may actually break it if we can't retest the resistance. So that's what we got going on here with Baby Doge. To be completely honest, I'm going to say this. We are 100% going to go down to this trend line. So prepare for 2100. But over here, I would say there's only about a 40 to 50% chance to hit the 21 or the 1200 or the 1260, really, the 1260 support. There's only about a 40% chance. So I don't think we're going to 100% get all the way down there. But yeah, anyways, there was huge support here at this line down here. As you can see, we did have a dip, but immediately, we just rose back above that. So we are seeing some selling. A lot of people are probably saying it's because they were talking about the whole migration of the contracts and all that, and because people are selling out there. But no, that's not why Baby Doge is going down. Baby Doge is going down because the overall crypto market is going down. It has nothing to do about the migration talk. It was just the developers just trying to see what the people wanted. They seen that most people weren't for it. And to be completely honest, I'm not too sure what side I'm on, whether it's with the migration or without it. Because with the migration, we'll have way less tokens. We'll have, I guess, a better chance to get a higher price, and then getting on better exchanges with a higher market cap. So, the migration could be good, but yeah, let's just see what happens with that. But anyways, we're now at 500,000 holders with Baby Dogecoin. Sorry, not 500,000 holders, way more than 500,000 holders. 500,000 followers now with Baby Dogecoin here on Twitter. So that's actually pretty good news there. So anyways, moving on, let's look at our holders. Right now we have 985,028 holders. Hit the refresh button, 985,074. So we're always getting the holders every day here at Baby Doge. But look at this. Shiba Inu at 989,352. We're literally gaining on Shiba Inu right now. We're going to pass them. We're going to more than likely get to a million holders not way before, but actually before Sheeb. Not way before, though. Like, Sheeb will probably get there right after us. But yeah, we're about to get to a million holders. This is really big stuff right here. Shout out to the whole Baby Doge army for making this happen. Like, this is just crazy. It's crazy to see all the good stuff that's been happening with Baby Doge. What's also crazy, though, is that even though we have all this market cap, we have a lot of market cap here with Baby Doge. If you look at this, we have 1 billion fully diluted. And then if you're just looking at the regular market cap, I know this is probably wrong, but like 600 million market cap, 500 million. But now that we've been losing money, 457 million. Like, Baby Doge is only up 2,500%, even though it's got all this good stuff. Now, the reason why you see it's only up 2,500%, that's pretty much, I want to say it's because we have a lot of coins. I don't want to spread FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, saying, oh, we can't go to a certain point because we have so many coins. That's not true. We can definitely continue to rise here with Baby Doge. It's going to be harder for us, though, because if you think about it, Baby Doge, I just want to say this: Baby Doge logically can't reach $1, because logically, at $1 would put it at 420 quadrillion market cap, and there's actually not 420 quadrillion dollars inside the whole circulating global economy, so that's impossible. Now, the next thing, Shiba Inu at $1 is logically impossible too, because $397 trillion is just not going to fly into Shiba Inu overnight, or any day really. So $1 Sheeb is also out of the question. Now, we got to start looking at things more realistic here. Like with Baby Doge, 1 cent Baby Doge is cool, right? 1 cent is cool, but that's going to be a few trillion in market cap, maybe more. So we got to look at this realistically, and we got to take a step back, and we got to say, okay, this is not possible, but 0.00001 is possible. 5 zeros is possible. 4 zeros is possible. $1, not possible. 1 cent, you're really pushing it. But let's just wait 5-10 years to see 1 cent, right? But 4 zeros, 5 zeros, that's 100% possible by the end of next year. And that's what we're looking at here with Baby Doge. So that's exactly what we're looking at. 5 zeros, 4 zeros by the end of next year, not this year, but by the end of next year. And when that happens, oh yeah, we're gonna be doing nice. We're gonna be living right. So, anyways, I'm definitely excited to see what comes next with Baby Doge. The community is growing huge every single day. Shout out to the whole Baby Doge community for making all this great stuff happen. But yeah, we're actually passing Shiba Inu. So just wait on it, and eventually we'll be past Shiba Inu because Sheep is growing at a slower pace than us. We're going at a way faster pace. Anyways, Baby Doge NFTs have been being talked about a lot on Twitter. So this is a new NFT that they just now posted. I like this one actually, the Army General. But over here you can see the Baby Doge NFT. We just crossed 500k Twitter followers. They've been slowly but surely teasing these NFTs with these posts. They've just been posting them and just teasing them. So that's pretty cool to see that they're actually just doing this. So I want to see these NFTs come out. I definitely want to see how they're gonna launch and how they're gonna do. But yeah, it's definitely going to be really exciting to see. Now we have been trending on CoinGecko a lot with Baby Dogecoin. Pretty much every day we trend on CoinGecko with Baby Dogecoin, following with Crypto.com coin. But yeah, Baby Doge always doing really good inside the trends. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. Even though we are going down big right now, it's still not worrying me because I'm a diamond hands holder. I'm gonna keep holding. I'm gonna keep earning these reflections. I've probably already earned about not $100, but I would say just in reflections probably about 50, but 50 somewhere around there. But yeah, it's still good. It's good passive income. Like that's gonna pay my phone bill. Anyways, let's look at this 10,000 NFTs. Even your grandma will appreciate. This is another one. The granny with the saggy, you know what? So yeah, this is the cool granny, I guess, with the saggy things over here. The Baby Doge granny. So yeah, even your granny can enjoy these NFTs. But anyways, over here you got the whole roadmap with Baby Doge coming out. So we already got all this stuff happening. We already had the wallet tracker. We already had the Ethereum bridge. We got the NFT collection that they're slowly but surely releasing. When we reach 1 million holders, they're going to announce the winner to the Baby Doge contest. And I didn't actually do the contest thing because I didn't feel like doing it. But I want one of you all to win, and I definitely want to see someone on this channel win. So, you know, if you win that money, and if you win that NFT, definitely let me know. Maybe we can do like a live video so then we can have, some kind of community thing. I want to do some kind of Baby Doge community thing. Maybe I'll do like a live stream. I definitely need to do a live stream. I've been trying to get a better camera so then the stream can be good quality. I got these cool lights so then it can look really cool. And thank you for everyone for sending donations too. It really helps. That's exactly how I got all this set up. It's all coming straight from you all, so I'm very thankful for that. But yeah, let's keep going on with this Baby Doge video though. So as you can see, Baby Doge wallet is also coming out after the NFTs, and we're literally launching the NFTs when we reach 1 million holders. So the NFTs, once they're launched, when we reach 1 million holders, that's gonna send us to this next thing on the roadmap, which is the Baby Doge wallet. So that's gonna be coming next. Now, as for when it's gonna come out, I'm not too sure, but I do know they're gonna have to audit it first. They're gonna have to make sure it's secure, and then they're gonna go ahead and release it. But before they do that, they're probably just gonna release a beta first, and then they'll release the actual version afterwards. So we're probably gonna see that happen very soon. And the virtual and physical Baby Doge debit cards is gonna be like the same process. They're gonna do the whole beta version, and they're gonna roll it out. But yeah, the Baby Doge exchange, that's gonna be huge. That's gonna be the biggest thing for Baby Dogecoin when we get an actual exchange. Because with exchanges, you got to think every exchange charges fees. Baby Doge's exchange are going to charge fees, and this is going to actually build cash for Baby Doge to continue to do good promotions like they're doing now, giveaways like they're doing now. They're giving away big money, they're giving away NFTs, all the good stuff, like all so much good stuff, and they already donated lots of money to the Save the Dogs charity. So all this good stuff going on with Baby Doge, and our price is still going down. So a lot of people are going to look at this as FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They're going to be looking at this like, oh my gosh, we're just going to go down all the way down. No, I'm making this video to tell you all right now that there's really no problem with what's happening right now. This happens in crypto every single year. Every single crypto, every single year, every second of the month, every second of the day, we always have some kind of drop in price after we have a big pump. And we did pump pretty big. Like, look at this. earlier this month, or earlier or later in October, we pumped huge, literally huge. So now this is a retracement period, and this is consolidation. As you can see with the retracement period, you get the triple bottoms: one bottom, two bottom, three bottom. After the triple bottom, you end up having an uptrend. So once we bottom out, this is the last time at the support line, we're probably gonna have another uptrend coming up after that. So definitely look out for that. But yeah, this is like this isn't even bad. Like I like the fact that this is happening. It gives everyone a chance to buy more baby Doge. Anyways, let's get on to the wallet tracker. I want to show you all the burn address and what's going on the burn side of town. So we're burning so much baby Dogecoin all the time. So that's why I'm not worried as well. Like people are talking about we need to do the migration, less tokens, which definitely would help. But it's just the whole thing with a migration. It's just gonna be a little difficult. It's gonna be an unnecessary headache, and it's just gonna be something that's gonna weigh on the community. It's gonna weigh on the community. It's gonna weigh on the developers. I mean, they got to migrate everyone's tokens to a new contract, everyone's money to a new contract. That's how I believe it works. I believe it works like that. I'm not too sure, but that's how I believe it works. I believe they make a whole new contract, they make a whole new thing, and then everyone's tokens are then sent to that contract in your contract address. But you see how confusing it is, because then after that, like, how are they going to know what everyone's new baby Dogecoin address is? Like, it's just confusing, and I know the migration is probably more simpler. Not simpler isn't even a word, but more simple than I'm like explaining it. But see, I can't even explain it, and I know a good amount about crypto, but there's gonna be a lot of people that are just gonna look at the migration like, what is going on here? So I definitely think the migration will be good for us. I'm not saying it's not gonna be good, but they're gonna have to come with that knowledge. Pretty much, they're gonna have to do some AMAs. They're going to have to completely break down step by step what's going to happen with the migration, how it's going to happen, how we're going to do it. They're going to have to break it down, and they're going to have to do it like for dummies, like how they have the For Dummies book. They're going to have to do it like for people who know nothing about crypto, because I know a good amount about crypto, but with this whole migration thing, I know very little about it. So they're going to have to break it down for everyone, even me. So anyways, let's go over the burn wallet here. So over here, you can see the burn wallet total is 125 quadrillion, or actually no, I think we actually more than 125. Yeah, you can see here 6.2 quadrillion right here monthly burned. Total we burned is 36.7 quadrillion. Every single week we're burning 600 trillion. Like, so much money is being burned out into thin air. Total of $86 million thrown into the hole. And you know what's crazy about these burns? Like, if you think about it, like, we have all this money circulating inside of global economies, right? So the US, we just printed up so much money. What happens when we take that same money and then we burn it, and then it can never be touched again because that wallet is a dead address and you can never take that money out? So if you think about it, let's just hypothetically say, we have like 150 trillion inside global GDP inside of America, right? It's somewhere around that 150 trillion. Let's just say hypothetically we burn 1 trillion baby Doge. Well, now technically we only have 149 million or trillion in GDP. So that's definitely something that we need to think about too. Like, crypto can help the overall economy. Baby Doge is helping the overall economy by taking money out of the circulation. Or maybe it's not, because even though there's inflation and stuff like that, they're going to be like, well, no, that money's still out there, even though it's not out there. It's been burned. But yeah, anyways, this is all I really got for you all today. I just wanted to go over all this good stuff we got going on with Baby Doge and what we got going on next. Wanted to put some motivation out there for the Baby Doge army, because a lot of people are probably freaking out with this drop, and rightfully so. I know it's a big dip, and you're probably looking at it like, oh my gosh, my money is going down. But remember, in crypto, you only lose money when you sell while you're negative. So right now is not the time to sell. The time to sell was way back here, like when we were peaked out at October, like October 25th. That was the time to sell if you really wanted to sell. But anyways, it's never time to sell Baby Dogecoin. October 29th and 30th, actually. But yeah, I'm not selling it personally. Like, there's no point of selling. But anyways, that's just me. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description, and you can use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.